Introducing the H65 high-intensity dual beam lens, revolutionizing automotive lighting with 3 times brightness and multifunctional excellence. Imagine a lens that triples brightness while integrating groundbreaking features. The H65 high-intensity dual beam lens makes this vision a reality. Key features: unparalleled brightness, equipped with custom 6 LED arrays powered by high-density large chips. It delivers 75 watts high beam and 65 watts low beam, achieving over 300% brightness enhancement for ultra-clear road illumination. Universal compatibility, designed for lossless installation. It seamlessly adapts to all vehicle models without modifications. Optical precision, combines high-definition glass lenses and focus-optimized reflector cups to minimize light decay, ensuring concentrated, distortion-free beams. Its ultra-wide beam pattern integrates high or low beams, expanding road coverage by 50% and doubling projection distance 100% increase, offering unparalleled visibility. Customizable designs. Tailor your choice with DIY options: LED left-hand drive, RHD right-hand drive, or flat cut-off line versions to meet regional regulations and customer preferences. Advanced thermal management. High dissipation aluminum body enhances heat dispersion by 40. Fin-shaped cooling system. Premium alloy fins boost heat dissipation efficiency by 40. Silent high-speed fan ensures rapid cooling while maintaining quiet operation. The H65 is a market-leading product poised to dominate the high-performance automotive lighting sector. With surging demand for versatile, high-output lenses, partnering with us guarantees reliable supply chains, competitive wholesale pricing, dedicated after-sales support. Act now! Seize this opportunity to elevate your business in the lens wholesale industry. Collaborate with us to unlock unprecedented growth and profitability. Join today and drive toward mutual success.